Dobroveche, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. Do an energy check-in for the Twin Flames today. Sorry guys, I have a really bad headache, so I do apologize. It might seem a little off. Just like I think I'm going through another ascension. I woke up with it. It's just like, so I apologize about that, guys. So let's get this started. Wow. Okay, so this is interesting. Yes, we have, and I've been saying this for a while. I feel like a lot of you right now are really facing some of these illusions that are literally being shattered within your connection, but not just within your connection, but just on your spiritual path in general. Like, a lot of you are facing your inner demons majorly right now. A lot of shadow aspects coming up, but specifically within the connections. Okay, so we have, the twin flame here, we have source here in the middle, and then we have our illusions. You have this, and then you have the darkness, the shadows, right? So I really feel a lot of us are dealing with our shadows right now, and I feel like it's stronger than it has been in quite a while, and quite some time, And I feel that this is definitely guided by source. I feel source is probably showing you a lot right now, and I feel like it might be a little overwhelming for some of you. Okay, some of you I feel are maybe not taking it as well as maybe you would like. Okay, I feel some dark night of the soul possibly coming in because of these illusions being shattered. And some of these illusions that are being shattered, obviously, not just the connections, but I mean, I'm talking like just major foundations coming down right now. Okay, some of you may have recently hit a massive tower, or you're going through one right now. Okay, some of you, this is leading you to question yet again, question your path, question your connection, okay? Question, whether your masculine is your masculine, whether they're awakening the way that they should, that sort of thing. Obviously, if this is a feminine, okay? Now, the masculines right now are just going through towers. Like, they've been going through tower after tower after tower this year. It's just been on top of another. But the difference is, I do feel, between the masculine and the feminine right now, is the feminine, though, we know that, the towers are very difficult. Yes, they are. And they do lead to confusion. But I do feel a lot of divine feminines are more secure in their spiritual path, that they're not letting the confusion sway them quite as much. I feel like so many divine masculines right now are like these towers that are happening for divine masculine. They're bringing them a lot more aligned, believe it or not, within, and their spirituality is growing. Okay, some of them I do feel are getting some really messed up dreams. Probably, I think some of them really don't know at this point what is real. Like, some of them I feel are getting these really profound, maybe even prophetic dreams, like really real feeling dreams, right? Astral travel, so to speak. And it could be with their feminine, it could be with, karmic situation. Just in general, I feel like some of these dreams are incredibly disturbing, but some of them are waking up going, where the heck was I, what this is doing, again, I feel, Mercury's in retrograde, but like, I feel like it might bring some communication in between the counterparts. Okay, so those of you who have not been in communication, you may receive some communication. Okay, but I also feel here, just in general, source is communicating majorly. Okay, so wow. All right, let's see what's going on with divine masculine. Ooh. Okay. That's a lot, but okay. Wow. Yeah, okay, so here we go. Divine masculine, once again, feeling just like not up to par. No idea. Like, absolutely no idea what to do, what he needs. It's like divine masculine has been in strategic mode, but it's like they don't have a way forward. It's like this constant feeling of anxiety, needing to move forward, needing to get out, but they're dealing with so much betrayal right now. And a lot of them, they're just betraying themselves, okay? And this sexual energy that's coming in, again, I do feel a lot of them going through, again, dark night of the soul. And it's taking a while for some of them, okay? But I definitely feel some betrayal coming in here. And here we go again with that mother figure, that female karmic figure, that codependency coming in, okay? Whoever this is, they place a very high, they put them on a pedestal, okay? Now this could be divine feminine, but I'm specifically, again, getting a female or a feminine energy that holds sway over divine masculine quite a bit. And I do feel there's a serious fear of betraying this person that's coming in strongly, okay? Some of them are trying to figure out how to move forward without this person, without bringing in disappointment from this person, okay? And I feel that they've been trying to do this for a while, but the realization is hitting them that they cannot, okay? There's no way around this. They have to face it head on. So these illusions around divine masculine shattering, majorly shattering. Some of them have learned something about this person. Now this could be, again, a mother figure, could be a karmic partner, it could be just, a feminine energy, doesn't have to be a female per se. Okay, but some of them have learned something about this person that has brought in some betrayal, okay? They're feeling really betrayed by this person, whoever this is. But I'm telling you, the crap is about to hit the fan if it's not hitting already, okay? Divine masculine, again, just doesn't know how to get out of this. Like, he just feels embroiled in something. And it's like, no matter what happens, he just sits there and he's like, I can't get out of this, but I want to. I want to so bad. Some of them want to run. They literally want to just get out, okay? The things holding them back, of course, codependency, third-party situation. Some of them, it's children, it's money, it's status, whatever. It's like they're feeling like they're gonna let that situation down, even though right now, they're being let down. Okay? Some of them, it's self-betrayal. Some of them are coming to the realization just how much they've been betraying themselves, how much they've been hiding who they are. They haven't been able to be themselves at all. Okay? All right, let's take a look at divine feminine. All right. Wow. Divine feminine feeling somewhat defeated right now. Again, guys, I'm telling you, this we're mirroring right now, okay? But this energy here, this is divine feminine too. Divine feminine is feeling it. All right? So a lot of you, yes, a lot of divine feminine is feeling very defeated, believe it or not, by their intuition. Some of them are feeling like, well, I didn't know if I was, I'm not sure if I'm in intuition or not. I don't know what the heck I'm supposed to be doing. So again, coming back in with that confusion energy, guys, you got to clear this out. Got to clear this out, okay? Because this is tied to some sort of karma that's being played out right now. Some of you in your past lives, okay? Some of you in your past lives were light workers. Also in your past lives, you were persecuted. Some of you holding yourself back from that. Some of you are absolutely terrified to move forward in your mission because you're afraid of persecution. And that is what's happening right now. Some of you are in this victim mode. Some of you feel like you're being persecuted. And I know I mentioned this before, that those who are awakened, who are truly awakened, not this woke nonsense, whatever the crap that is, but truly awakened to what you are supposed to be doing on this planet, you're holding yourself back because of persecution. Some of you are right now actively being persecuted, okay, or energetically being attacked. But those of us in general who are awakened, the light workers, the people who are out there speaking the truth, are being persecuted. And I said that this was going to happen, and it is happening, okay? Don't let that hold you back. Don't you dare. Don't let that hold you back. You speak your truth, okay? Clear whatever you need to clear. Whatever karmic debt you're paying back, clear it, do it, pay it back. But don't let it keep you from speaking your truth. Got it? The truth, okay? There's only one truth. right? There's only one truth. But your perception is your reality, and reality is always relative. Okay, so I think people confuse reality with truth. Truth is not reality. Got it? Okay? So don't get trapped in that. Don't get trapped in that at all. Okay? Yeah, I mean, this is what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about you're holding yourself back. Okay, there is a fire that was lit up under Divine Feminine's butt. You know, and now we're like not sure. Come on now. Come on now. But some of you, it's because of the connection. I'm telling you, some of you need to release this connection. You just need to. You've got to, okay? It's like some of you are trying to make excuses for your counterpart. You're trying to make excuses for yourself. Okay, your illusions of what love is, your illusions of what this connection is, they're being shattered right now, and you're in confusion, and that's what's holding you back. So some of you just need to pick up the pieces and accept things as they are and move on. Some of you are dwelling way too much on these connections. You're dwelling too much on the quote unquote loss of your counterpart, the no communication, the separation, yada, yada, yada. Look, it sucks. Yes, it does. It does suck that, especially when the other half of you, denies you or rejects you or whatever. But you have to look at the bigger picture. They still have some things they need to clear. They have lessons that they're learning just as you have lessons you're learning. You can't let what they are doing or not doing hold you back from doing what you need to do. Okay? All right, so connecting energies. Yeah, I mean, there's just a feeling of stasis right now within these connections. The movement has to come energetically, okay? Some of you who are not, some of you are, together with your counterparts, and that's amazing, but there's still some work that needs to be done. There's some karma that needs to be cleared here. But it's like this feeling that we can't manifest our way forward is absolute nonsense, okay? It's like there's this want of moving forward, but we're still sitting here like, I don't know what to do. Yeah, you do know what to do. Stop sitting there telling yourself you don't know what to do. Okay? Right? But there is a transformation happening in these connections. Like I said, this is going more 5D, guys. These connections are going more 5D. Okay? And that's going to happen. And that's the transition that's happening right now. Okay? Whether, you get 3D contact or not, that doesn't matter right now. What matters is strengthening the 5D connection, finding that inner peace, finding that inner union. Inner union is the point. Okay, but you can't have 3D union with your counterpart unless you have A, inner union with yourself, and B, 5D union. It's energetic. It's inside out work, right? That's what we always say because it's true. Okay? But yeah, I mean, we need to release this whole idea that we have to depend on somebody else for our happiness. You absolutely do not. That's the point. That is the point. You don't depend on someone else for your happiness. Absolutely not. Okay? Some of you just need to release this betrayal. This is coming in strongly, specifically with Divine Masculine, okay? But it's coming in with Divine Feminine too. All right? With these illusions being shattered, some of you seriously feel betrayed by your own illusions. Some of you are feeling betrayed by Source. You gotta look at yourself. What lies have you been telling yourself? Source is not telling you lies. Source does not lie. Okay, remember that. All right. Some of you are still feeling betrayed by your counterparts too. Some of you are feeling betrayed by a karmic situation. All right, you've got to release it. You've got to find that forgiveness. You've got not only to forgive whoever trespassed you, okay, but you also want to forgive yourself. Okay. I mean, think about the Lord's Prayer. It's actually perfect. I'm not a religious nut. But if you listen to the Lord's Prayer, if you actually read the words and what it actually means, it'll enlighten you. Okay? But yeah, I mean, the main thing here is to release what we need to release so we can work on our abundance. And that's what's needing to happen right now. And both counterparts right now need to work on stabilizing themselves. Okay? You can't stabilize your counterpart. They can't stabilize you. That's codependency if you think that's what needs to happen, okay? You got to do it yourself. They've got to do it themselves. Okay? All right, let's get some messages. And the counterparts. The truth. Yeah, still. Again, this not worthy aspect coming in. Okay. Well, that's good. It's good to know. Sexual energy coming in again. Use it to manifest, guys. Let's get some messages and advice from Source. Woohoo. That's exactly what I just said. This is what you need to focus on right now. Okay? Some of you physically so. Some of you like money. Some of you have something that you need to do. So you need to literally work on that abundance, okay? Yeah, but you need to find that faith. Some of you still have not quite gotten to where you trust Source yet. Okay? You're still holding on to that fear. And some of you, it's fear of change. You're absolutely terrified where this path is leading you. Like, why? Why are you so scared? Have faith, guys. Have faith. Source knows what it's doing. Okay? And so do you. You forget, you know? But yeah, it's time to refocus your attention to your bliss. Again, raise that vibration, guys. Some of you have been vibing way too low. Way too low, okay? And that's part of what's happening here. Some of you are just so vibing so low that you're having a difficult time getting yourself out of it. You know, and it's very easy to get trapped in that. It's easy to get trapped in negativity. Especially when you have, you know, negative things around you all the time. You know, that's why I say turn off the news, guys. Don't watch the news. For God's sakes, do not watch the news. Okay? It is designed to keep you in a lower vibration. All that crap that you watch, I mean, there was an expose on it and everything. I even posted it on my community tab one time, and I'm pretty sure it was taken down eventually. But yeah, I mean, guys, all of that stuff that you watch, it's designed to keep you in a low vibration because it's easier to control you. Okay? Don't let it happen. Just don't. Okay? Best thing to do is just to turn it off. All right? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.